Hello and welcome all. Nursing is an in demand field everywhere around the world, and New Zealand is no exception. New Zealand offers many pathways for nurses who may be registered or who want to pursue a career in nursing after studying about a course in New Zealand. The Another factor that comes into nursing is that it is also part of the green list in New Zealand, which means that nurses from around the world are encouraged to go to New Zealand and start working there. So through this video, we'll be looking at the different course options in nursing that New Zealand has to offer and the career opportunities that students will have after the completion of those programs.
Okay, so New Zealand offers courses in nursing for both students students who are recently passed out, like they have done their 10th and 12th, and they are looking for their higher education. Then they can go for their bachelor's in nursing. Plus, students who have already completed their bachelor's and they are looking to study further. Then they can go for their master's in nursing in New Zealand.
Yes, as you said that nursing is a profession which is highly in demand in New Zealand, and international students can go to New Zealand and do a nursing course, and afterwards they can register with New Zealand Nursing Council and work as a nurse. So in New Zealand you may either work as a registered nurse or an enrolled nurse. So this discussion is about these two professions we are talking about, and whether you become a registered nurse or an enrolled nurse would depend on the course you have done. As you spoke that there are options for students who have done their 12th and are looking forward to do a bachelor's program, which is bachelor's in nursing, and after completion of that they may register with the New Zealand Nursing Council and hence become a registered nurse. There are also options for students who already have a bachelor's of nursing degree. Then they can also do a course at master's level, like Masters of Nursing Science, which leads to registration with New Zealand Nursing Council, and they can work as a registered nurse. There are also options for enrolled nurses, like the students, they do a diploma and then they can register themselves as an enrolled nurse and work in New Zealand. So depending on the profile, you may travel to New Zealand, and a registered nurse is a skill level 1 profession in New Zealand, and an enrolled nurse is a skill level 2 profession in New Zealand.
Okay, for students who are looking for a master's program in nursing in New Zealand, they should meet a few entry requirements. So if when it comes to the academic entry requirements, they need to have at least a bachelor's in nursing, and they also need to meet the English language requirements, which is basically IELTS band 6.5 overall. And so there may also be a criteria for like post registration work requirement, but again students need to make sure that they check the website of the program that they are applying to.
Yes, once the students, they have completed a qualification in New Zealand, as you said, a master's degree in nursing, and that master's degree, if it leads to registration with New Zealand Nursing Council, then the students may get registered themselves, and after that, on finding a job, may work as a registered nurse. Now talking about the scope after doing this master's degree, as we spoke that nursing is a profession which is high in demand, it also features in the green list of New Zealand. So once you get registered with New Zealand Nursing Council, there are high chances that you would get into a job, and the pay scale for nurses in New Zealand is quite good. If we talk about registered nurses, the registered nurses can expect to get a starting pay of New Zealand $75,000 annually.
Okay, so apart from masters, we have bachelor's in nursing, and it is a course of almost 3 years. Plus, when we talk about the requirements, the very first requirement is the academic percentage. Like you should have a good academic percentage, and you should specifically focus on your science subjects. Plus, apart from your academics, you should also have a good IELTS score. It should be at least 6.5 with no bands less than 6.0. And students should also keep this in mind that they should focus on their entry test as well, because some universities in New Zealand, they go for their entry test in the course of nursing.
Okay, and so after doing a bachelor's degree in New Zealand, after they complete their bachelor's in nursing, Even this can lead to a registration with the Nursing Council in New Zealand, and then they can start working as a registered nurse.
Yes, once the students they have completed a bachelor's program at level 7, which is of 3 years, that is Bachelor's of Nursing in New Zealand, and that program leads to registration with New Zealand Nursing Council. Then once the applicants have registered themselves as a nurse and on getting a job, they can work as a nurse in New Zealand. Again, as we previously discussed, the scope of a nurse is very high in New Zealand, as this features in the green list. Now, after doing your bachelor's in nursing and registering with the Nursing Council, you are a nurse in New Zealand, and once you find a job, you get a good pay scale. The starting scale, as I previously spoke, was about New Zealand dollar 70,000 per year, and it may increase as and when you work.
Plus, students who want to get enrolled in nursing, they can go for the diploma. Yeah, like they can go for the New Zealand diploma in nursing. They can get registered. They can get registered in Nursing Council of New Zealand and can start working.
When it comes to the entry requirements for New Zealand diploma in enrolled nursing, the requirements is basically completed 10+2 with a good percentage of marks as well, and they also need to make sure that they meet the English language requirements as well.
Yes, enrolled nurse is another profession, nursing profession. Like if the students they do not have a bachelor's degree, they do a diploma in enrolled nursing, which is of duration of about 18 months in New Zealand. Once the students have successfully completed that diploma, and that diploma leads to registration as an enrolled nurse with New Zealand Nursing Council, the students, once they are registered, may work as an enrolled nurse. Now, to work as an enrolled nurse, you need to find a job, and as nursing is a profession which is in shortage list, enrolled nursing is also in shortage list. There are high chances that the students get a job and they can start working as an enrolled nurse. Enrolled nurse is a skill level 2 job in New Zealand, and the pay scale for enrolled nurse starts from about New Zealand dollars 68,000 annually. So there is a good scope for enrolled nurses also.
So, since we discussed all the nursing programs that students can find in New Zealand if they want to pursue a career as a nurse, when it comes, now that you know about the programs, you would also want to know about the different educational institutes that offer these programs. So almost all institutions in New Zealand offer these nursing programs. And if students who are looking, who are thinking about ITPs in New Zealand, they can either go for Eastern Institute of Technology or the Toi Ohmoi Institute of Technology, and many more options. And for applicants who want to know more about nursing careers and programs in New Zealand, you can contact West Highlander Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.